Hey YouTube. So, you probably don't know what happened. My old double DIN head unit. Yeah, I kinda smashed the screen because it was very difficult to push in here, and I was trying to push it in and it cracked. So yeah, oh well. I'll put more info in the description. Anyway, I've got a new Eonon G1306 flip out screen DVD player. It's got the same features as the other double DIN I had, and I'm just installing it. I just got it in the mail today. I had it about 2 weeks ago, and smoke started coming from here when I disconnected it, so I just got a replacement and that from Hong Kong. And yeah, that's what it looks like. It's pretty good. All the lights come on the buttons when the headlights come on and stuff. And now I'm gonna have the bass boost down here under the head unit, so it's easier to control the bass when like I go past the cop and shit. So I just gotta test it, make sure it works. It's just temporary, and that's fucking some other shit. RCAs. So I've done some sound deadening in my boot as well. I'll just show ya. The sound yeah, I brought that Subwoofer Super Shield, and I brought the bulk pack, and I'll just show you. That's what it looks like. I did a couple layers. Oh yeah, the amps. I took the back cap out as well. There's the amp. So it wasn't enough to do the whole boot, but see under there, I got most of it done, and the sides I got a bit done on the sides, but I didn't cover it fully. If I get some more, I'll cover the full boot. So I got it here as well, because under the back shelf get fucking flexing and shit. Speaker amp, sub amp. Fucking father, thought someone was here because I was fucking talking. Anyway, that's it there. I get the sub in finally. It's been out for like a couple of weeks. This is more solid too. Here, it's like knocking on a fucking brick. It's more solid. I gotta do another couple of screws under there to hold that in. So I think this is just about fucked. Anyway. Oh yeah, I lowered the car a bit as well. I lowered it 2 inch, so how low it is. Pretty good. Although that's so this is the head unit. I'll open it up now. Oh yeah, what's that? A bit of glue or something, and they've made it. Oh, wait, I can't see it. And voila! Works. Oh, I just gotta test the audio and probably tune the speakers in and shit. And then I can finally see what it sounds like with the sound deadener on the boot. With the sub. See, there's no lights on. And then you turn. I can't get to the lights. The lights on, and these are lights, and these lights on, and it dims. So it's pretty good. It's a pretty good head, you know. It's got everything, just like double DIN. Yeah, I already said that, but anyway. Anyway, so I'm just gonna close this that'll end this video. And I'll put some pictures up of the broken double din and what it looks like in the video. I'll put some pictures of what it looks like with it installed. And the next video, my next YouTube video will probably be with this banging of the sub and shit installed. I'll show you how it sounds next and whatever. And yeah, so it's mainly just for update that the screen and shit and the sound deadening I've been doing and stuff. Okay. Oh yes, and close it. What the hell? Yeah, pretty good head in that. If I can test it first, then I'll put the video up. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.